In this video, we're going to look at another market that we can trade on the MT5 platform, which is US stocks. And for this example, I've chosen one which I'm sure you're familiar with, which is McDonald's with the ticker MCD. And we've got the 1 minute time frame open as always. We can apply our Renko chart in exactly the same way. Over to the Navigator, left click, hold and drag, and up pops our window. We go to inputs, and once again we're going to run at the ATR computed best box size. In other words, we are going to allow the Renko indicator to give us the optimal setting for trading McDonald's in the current trading session. So we are trading in harmony with the market, the speed the market is moving at. If we scroll down to the enable custom chart, because we also want to use our own indicators, either quantum trading indicators or the free native indicators on MT5, which we want to apply to this chart. And we click the OK button. Let's just move this up full size. We've got our 1 minute chart running in the background there. There we go. We just take this up so we've got the Renko chart. Now, just before I open the live Renko chart, which is going to allow us to apply our indicators, clicking the green button, if we look over to the box size here, we can see that what we're being quoted here is 20.88, or if we take it to the nearest decimal, we've been quoted 21. Now, of course, this is a stock. The stock is currently trading at around about $157.20 odd cents. So what the box size is giving us, as indeed we've seen on all the other videos, if you've watched them, what we do is move the decimal point back 2 spaces. So the box size here will be quoted in cents, and taking it to the nearest cent, it'll be quoting to 21 cents. So that's what we should see when we open our live Renko chart. So if we click on the green button, there we go. We've got our normal advisory notice coming up to say, please just keep the charts period time frame set to M1 open, and it means your Renko chart will continue to operate correctly. I'm just going to drop on a standard template, very simple template here, just pretty this up, make the bricks look nice and pretty. And if I hover over one of these bricks, if you remember, I think it was 21 cents. So if we just hold the cursor there, you'll see the open on that particular brick was 158.23, and the close on the brick was 158.44. So in other words, 21 cent move in the stock price. And finally, just to round off, we can drop some indicators on. Let's put a moving average on. We've got a 20 period there in red. Let's pop another one on. Drag and drop over onto the chart. Let's change this to 8, and we'll just change the color here. Make that green. There we go. So we've now got an 8 and a 20 on the Renko. And if we want to apply our quantum trading indicators, we can. Let's just drag a trend monitor over. That'll go in at the bottom. Once again, we can resize that, so we've got plenty of space on the chart itself. And finally, let's just add on the pivots, which is always a nice indicator to have, and also the trends, which works very nicely with the Renko too. So there we go. That's popped those on as well. There we go. That's using the Renko chart on a stock. This happened to be an American stock, but it could equally apply to UK stocks, European stocks. It really doesn't matter. Whatever you've got available on your MT5 platform, the Renko indicator will work perfectly with it in this market. And also you can apply whatever indicators you choose, whether you choose to use the free native indicators, or if you have the full quantum, or indeed some of the quantum indicators, you can use those also on the live Renko chart, which is delivering the optimal setting for trading McDonald's right now. Hope you've enjoyed this particular video. Thanks again, and see you soon. Bye for now.